Okay, these two sensors right here that they placed on the garage door. Okay, one's here, one's there. Okay, now notice that they are not extending. Let's see, let's hold this in place. Behind the door. Let's see if I can get it to show. It's not tacking the door down. In other words, it's not tacking this wood frame down. Okay. These are the sensors that and it's soft. It's very soft. It's mesh. Let's see. It's mesh. It's not even hard. Golly, this is not even hard material. It's not even metal. It's not even a metal. It's not even a metal. It's like an aluminum. It's like oh shit. It's an aluminum of some sort. It's not even metal. Wow. It's very soft. Feel it.
Yeah.
This is what I've been talking about. These things are sensors. Okay, tracking sensors. They're not metal. And it is like a piece of aluminum. Okay, I just want to put that out there. It's very soft. Okay, that's it.